This is our trunk line for our DS3 models. It comes with a protective cap. So remember to pull that off or your micro will not plug in. Not only do we have the grounding on the rail with that weeb lug, we've got the internal bond grounding with our line 1 and line 2. We have a 3-wire trunk line. So we have a disconnect tool that you can get from your local distributor. Fits right in our trunk line. As you're doing your wire management and layout, make sure you have proper connection points for your bus end cables. And when you're doing that, to not bend or kink these cables in any fashion. And that goes along for these DC whips as well. The new DS3s come with some whips to help make this radius a lot easier and softer. We're going to be putting an end cap on it. We're going to trim this back about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch. You can do that with a simple razor knife by lightly scoring this outer jacket and making one vertical slice up and peel off the unit, exposing the inner wires. You're going to want to make sure that these are trimmed and smooth. And then on the inside, you'll see 4 little holes. We're going to line those up. You'll feel them depress in, and that makes it seated. And then you'll spin on the cap, keeping the end solid while spinning the cap. Making it snug. And I know it's tight because then I can tug on it and it's not going to come off. All right, guys. As we have the end of our bus cable with our end cap securely fastened, the other side, after all our micros are laid, will be going into our junction box with our 3-wire trunk line with the ground, line 2 and line 1 that will feed down to our solar powered breakers. Now, if you find yourself not getting to the junction box with your AC bus cable, or you want to go open air underneath some panels for a little bit, you can pick up some cabling from any local store with a 3-wire SO cord. That's the same wire size. And we do have male and female connectors. Real similar to our bus end cap. You're going to separate the wires, pin them in, and you'll be able to run this wire as far as you want, as long as your code provides a way to do it. When installing the DS3, you want to make sure you follow all your local codes. You can find the accessories list at usa.apsystems.com underneath Document Library, where you can get all the accessories to complete your project.